About this item note, this set is shipped in multiple packages, one item one package, and different items may be delivered in separate batches with different arrival times. Your patience is highly appreciated. Carefully selected material. The computer desk is constructed of powder-coated metal tubes in matte black finish. The office mesh chair is constructed of hard-wearing nylon mesh, durable star base and solid rolling casters. High-quality materials made this office furniture sturdy and durable, capable of being used for long-term. Made for convenience, the writing desk offers one desk grommet for collecting and hiding cables out of sight. It has a metal hook for hanging your headphone/briefcase on one side, and a fabric storage bag for books/documents on the other side. The mesh chair is equipped with 360 degrees wheels that swivel effortlessly and smoothly from any angles without causing floor scratches. Reclining office chair. By simply pushing the lever or pulling it out, this mesh office chair can be tilted and leaned backward or locked in place for your various sitting positions. A tilt tension control knob under the seat is provided to adjust the recline angle. Clear instruction. This home office furniture set includes one computer desk and one mesh chair. We provide all the necessary hardware and tool, and an illustrated installation manual to help you set up this chair. Should you have any question, please feel free to contact us. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item note, this set is shipped in multiple packages, one item one package, and different items may be delivered in separate batches with